So you want to know what the mouse is hovering over in 3D space. That's get hit result under cursor by channel. Now it's basically a bridge between UI and the world. All the strategy games, RTS, click to move rely on this. Now to get this node, just right click and type in get hit result under cursor by channel. You will get this node. But as you can see on the screen, this node is not showing up because you can see the target is player controller. So you have to first get the player controller and then take the execution pin from there, and then this node will show up as you can see in the example here. For now, we will remove both of these nodes because we have an example prepared to see how it actually works. In this example, as you can see on the screen, we have the event begin play from where we are taking execution pin to show mouse cursor, so we don't lose our mouse cursor again and again while we are making this tutorial. And to get even that node, you have to just drag an execution pin from get player controller, as I already showed you in our previous tutorials. After that, we are also getting the get hit result under cursor by channel, and from that we are taking a hit result and then break hit results, and then in that we have the hit actor execution pin. From that we are taking it to print string, and then it automatically converted by get display name, and every time it actually takes, it will show us what our mouse cursor is actually hovering over. So let's just compile the code for now and see it in action. So as you can see on the screen, the mouse is currently hovering over the cube, so it's showing the cube. When it's over the landscape, it's showing that landscape and telling us exactly which tile it's on right now. Otherwise, if we are hovering over a blueprint, it's actually showing us that. So it's actually a perfect for selecting units, moving character, or click on object type of games. It's the brain of RTS or MOBA control. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.